Hello everyone, how are you doing over there? Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching this. This is Dan and this is Dan Tech channel. In this video, actually, I'll be explaining and telling you what you just need to start trading on the Forex market. And actually, I can just do that in 5 seconds and just finish on that. But you know, it's very important actually if you just know why you need all those equipment, why you need whatever I'm going to mention in this video. Now, without further ado, let's just start this video right after the intro of this video. Hello and welcome back again, and all you can just start doing over here is make sure that you subscribe down one over there and also turn on the notification bell. You'll be notified anytime I just upload a new video. Actually 94%, that is crazy because 94% of people who watch my videos have not subscribed. I hope you're not one of them, so make sure that you subscribe down one over there. And to start on this, on what you actually need to start trading on the Forex. So for those who don't know, Forex just involved that buying and selling of foreign currencies. That is why the word Forex means foreign currencies. You can just see it called foreign currencies. For those who maybe standard, that is maybe something like in the mathematics in primary school and also in high school, we studied something about the foreign exchange. So actually that is what we are just doing over here. You can buy euro, you can sell USD, you can buy and all that. Those are what we call Forex trading in that manner. And what you just need actually to do all these ones are very simple things. For example, number one, you need actually a phone. For you to do all that things, you need actually a phone. And if you can just maybe you want to be very serious and you want to do the Forex seriously, actually you just need a laptop or a computer. The reason you just need that is because there's some what we call technical analysis. When you're analyzing everything, it's very difficult actually for you to do that when you are using your mobile phone device. So if you just maybe go one step further and then you just access a laptop, boom, then you're just going to go with that. Number two, actually, do you know that you cannot use that phone or the laptop that you are just using without having the internet connection? You just need an internet connection so that you can just be browsing those beautiful platforms, those beautiful things online over there, and just be a very amazing for you. That sounds very amazing on that. And number three, on what you actually need over here is that you need what we call a broker. A broker is just a platform, just like what you see over here. This is an FXPesa. This is a trading platform. This is a platform that can just help you to trade Forex trading. That it can just help you to buy stocks, commodities. You can trade the metals. You can trade foreign currencies and a lot of things. So you need a broker. A broker actually is not a person, but it's just a platform that can just help you maybe to deposit, withdraw, and offer all those commodities and foreign currencies for you to trade in a very local way. For example, in FXPesa, it can just allow you to deposit through from bank through to that is using Pesa. That is very incredible. You know, in Kenya over here, everybody is using M-Pesa. So if you just get a platform that just allows you to deposit direct from the M-Pesa, then actually that's really amazing, you know. And the third thing that actually you just need over here is capital. You need capital actually to start, because for you to buy dollars and to buy euros and all that, you need capital. You need good amount of capital. If you just watch my previous video, I leave the link in the description, or maybe you can just go ahead and check on that video. I was explaining on how much do you really need for you to start trading on Forex on the crypto market. So you can just actually check that. It will just be a very amazing for you. The last thing that is very important, whether you are a beginner, whether you are anybody, whatever you just want to be, if you just want to do Forex full time, you want to do it anytime and maybe part time, this is compulsory. This is compulsory actually. If you just want to be a profitable trader, you need to have knowledge. You have to have knowledge and skills of trading. If you don't have that, then my dear, you'll be like that is betting. You know, betting, where you just put your money and maybe you are expecting opening, because there's no hope when you are just trending. Hope is not a strategy in trending. You have to have knowledge. Lazima usome vitabu vizuri. You have to stand well. Lazima ukuwe na ile kiu, okay? And the bonus tip on what you just need over here, actually, if you just want to be a profitable trader, make sure at least you love financing. Yeah? If you just have phobia for money, you have phobia for currencies, you have phobia for all these things, online making money things, then I don't think whether you're just going to make it, because maybe one day you may end up losing, and then you just be heading up and telling your friends that crypto, forex trading is scam and all that, and emotions and all that. But if you love these things, of course, even if you lose one day, you always pursue that and go for that, and always one day you can just make it. One day, actually, it's not you can, but one day you must make it if you have that passion of this one. So make sure that at least you have a passion for money, you have a passion for online, and you're going to make it in this forex. Just that, if you maybe get that, then you are just ready to start trading on the forex. From broker, it's in the description below. You can click and open the FXPesa. And for you, if you just need some knowledge of trusting on how to trade, I can just give you that for free. What else do you need? It's you now to get started, because there is forex, there is money in the forex. Okay. Now, if you love this video, make sure that you subscribe, turn on notification bell. You'll be notified anytime I'm just uploading new videos. See you next time. Bye bye. Salute.